What's up, y'all? How's everybody doing today? I hope you're doing amazing. Today is Saturday, August the 3rd. I should know that because my son's birthday is tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday, August 4th. And my son, y'all know Jordan. Jordan is turning 11, y'all. The boy is growing up. I know it's probably loud. Amir back there. I mean, can you turn it down? Can you turn it down some? Let's turn it down some. But yeah, him and Leno just ran in the store to grab some snacks. We're out running some errands. My mom's birthday was on Thursday, August 1st. It's so many birthdays, y'all, but those are the top two. But it's so many birthdays. Leno's brother's birthday was yesterday, so we're gonna stop by. I need to talk fast because I had to turn the air off so y'all can hear. But we're gonna stop and run some errands. I need to find Jordan some pants, y'all. It's gonna be so hot, but we're going skating and on tomorrow for his birthday. There's some hair on my lip. We're going skating tomorrow for his birthday, and I just don't want him to scratch up his legs. He can skate, but he falls every now and again, and I just personally think skates look better when you wear pants. I gotta turn this air on. So we're gonna go look for some pants. I got him a shirt yesterday. Let me tell y'all how I looked up. I'm gonna show y'all the shirt, or y'all just will see it. I went to Snipes just to get him a quick little Nike shirt, just something to have for his birthday. And I didn't want to spend too much money because he's 11 and we're not getting into all that yet. So I found a shirt. It was like a Jorden, Nike, like it had all of the signs on it for $32. So guess how much the shirt rang up for, y'all? $4.99. That shirt was $5. Talk about God be looking out. I was like, yes, thank you, Lord. So got him a shirt, gotta find him some pants, going skating tomorrow. It's fight night tonight. So we just about to run a few errands, probably pull up on my mom real quick, pull up on his brother. But it is so dang on hot. It is so hot that any little hanging out that we thought we was about to do, we about to be right at home under the air, because it's too hot. It's too hot, y'all. It's like that uncomfortable hot, not like, ooh, let's still hang out, have a good time, but it's hot. It's like, don't touch me, don't talk to me. I want to go sit under the air. Let me see, matter of fact, do we have enough gas? We probably need to stop and get some more gas. Not probably. I'm going to have him stop and get some gas. That way we can be even more comfortable. But, okay, enough of that. I just wanted to check in with y'all. I think the last vlog that I posted was my, nope, I think I got one more vlog to order. I mean, to edit. I don't know if I got enough footage. We went to the Carnival and I had vlogged, but I don't know how much footage I got. So before this, or maybe I'll put it all in one vlog. I don't know. Either way, I just wanted to check in with y'all because I want to get back on my vlogging tip. But I had stopped for a minute because the editing was being real stupid. So I will check in with you all later. Toodaloo! Jordan.
Let's try with my mother vlogging.
You just always have to ask because sometimes people don't want to be vlogged. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
I told them earlier that we was going to stop by and say hi. So here we are.
Okay, and at the same time, y'all, I'm trying to see the end of something. So y'all have to forgive me. I'm trying to find it.
We can go fast. Go, Mom. We don't got to stay here.
Okay, come on.
Okay, bye, y'all.
No.
girls love? Who the jails love? Good niggas, good heart, lot of lives were saved by. Good looking. One of the last of the OGs to stay fly. Who else you know went at it with Beanie and 50 beside? like she cutting up, cutting up, cutting up, cutting up. Smack her on the booty, it's real funny, roll up, she want to real funny, she bop.
Okay. Now we only have a couple rules in soccer, but the first one we're gonna learn today is that there are no hands in soccer practice. Can you repeat after me? No hands in soccer.
Sorry, you get a sack. Okay, we're gonna eat after we leave, okay? Come on. You ready?
Yeah, we in this house. Coach, they're gonna kick it back. You're gonna score a goal, okay?
Next week.
You ready? Kick it to coach. Yes. All right. You're gonna go to the goal, okay? Go score. Ready? Kick it in the goal here. Kick it in the goal. Kick it in the goal. No hands, remember? Good job. All right, get your ball. Get your ball. Come on. Run.
If you score the goal, go to the next one.
Good job, here. Now come get in this line. Behind her. Ready? Now stay right here. Go wait your turn. Go this way. All right, turn this way.
Feel free to walk around, move around, and groove around, okay, guys? Just please do not stand on the seat and no smoking on the boat, all right? If anyone's a vapor, that is fine. Just please no smoking on the boat, all right? It's a little windy, it's a little choppy, so be mindful of that, but otherwise, we're gonna have the best boat ride of our lives, all right, guys? You guys met RJ back there. Make some noise for him. He's gonna be your best friend, all right? You guys have a spill, he's gonna come by, wipe it up. You guys got garbage, he's gonna come by, grab your cans, so on and so forth. An extra set of hands for a photo. Even though
Oh,